Wireless technology is taking over every part of our lives, and car audio is no exception. In this video, we're diving into the top Bluetooth-compatible subwoofers for your car, giving you wireless bass that doesn't sacrifice power or performance. Let's explore 5 excellent options available on Amazon that are redefining how we experience car audio. For starters, we have the ROCKVILLE SS10P, a compact 10-inch under-seat powered subwoofer that delivers up to 800 watts of peak power. While it doesn't come with native Bluetooth functionality, its design is perfect for integrating a Bluetooth audio receiver. What makes the SS10P stand out is its low-profile 2.7-inch height, which allows for discreet installation under most car seats. It includes both high and low-level inputs, thermal and short protection circuits, and remote bass level control. You can pair it with a Bluetooth receiver like the Tautronics TT-B809 for seamless wireless connectivity. This combination gives you solid bass performance while keeping wiring minimal. Next up is the JBL BASSPRO Go V2, which takes innovation a step further. This is a hybrid device, part powered car subwoofer, part portable Bluetooth speaker. In your car, it operates as a 100-watt powered subwoofer connected to your system. When removed, it functions as a portable speaker with 8 hours of battery life, full range sound, and IPX5 water resistance. This makes it ideal for anyone who wants flexibility between a car audio upgrade and a Bluetooth speaker for tailgates or outdoor gathering. It's a bit pricier, but the multi-functionality justifies the cost, especially if you value portability alongside strong bass. The third entry is the ROCKVILLE FOLTUSYMY Slim Subwoofer. This 1200-watt sub is designed for underseat or compact trunk installation. It features an ultra-thin design, integrated amplifier, blue LED lighting, and solid heat dissipation. Like the SS10P, it lacks native Bluetooth, but it becomes a Bluetooth-compatible system when paired with an external audio receiver. The high power rating and low-profile design make it ideal for drivers who want aggressive bass without giving up cargo or passenger space. It's one of the most eye-catching and practical models you'll find in its class. Moving on, the Boss Audio Systems Cube 8 deserves attention for offering an excellent balance of affordability and performance. This 8-inch subwoofer comes in a sealed enclosure, features a built-in amplifier, and supports high and low-level inputs. While it's not marketed explicitly as a Bluetooth unit, it accepts input from Bluetooth-enabled receivers, making it a flexible option for users aiming to go wireless. What's particularly great about the Cube A8 is its simplicity and ease of setup. It's a plug-and-play system that delivers consistent bass enhancement for factory or aftermarket head units. Finally, we have a more experimental option, a generic multifunction Bluetooth subwoofer, which is surprisingly popular among users looking for a low-cost, highly portable Bluetooth-enabled solution. This small unit supports Bluetooth 5.0, runs on 12 to 24V systems, and comes with a clamp for mounting on desks, motorcycles, or small vehicles. It's not going to replace a full-size sub in terms of bass impact, but it's great for casual listening, motorcycles, or ultra-compact cars where space is limited. The inclusion of remote control and a built-in amplifier make it a convenient plug-and-play option.